So what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jim Frances Izunye, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this boho knotless braid. Watch to the end to see the entire process.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer.
So guys, I'll be using this Lush Mega Braids in color 1 over 30, 6 bundles inside, pre-stretched, and it says one pack does it all, and it did, at least for me. And I'll be using this deep weave hair that I made out of the Lush bundles, and I'm going to show you how I achieve that right now. So guys, this is quite easy and simple. I just use my flexi rod to just curl this hair. I just twist and turn the hair, and once I get to the end, I bend the rods to secure the curls that I just made. So once I was done curling the amount I felt like is required for this braid, I just dip them in hot water with conditioner and let that air dry. So guys, I take that out of the rod, and trim the ends off, and this is what the hair looks like, but it doesn't look like deep weave hair yet. So I'm going to dip this in some hot water, not warm and not too hot to stretch it out, but hot enough to affect the curls, just to loosen it up a bit. So I dip this in hot water and let that dry completely. This is what it looks like, dipped in the hot water and still wet. So I'm gonna have to let this dry completely, and this is what it looks like completely dried. And guys, this comes out perfect every single time, especially if you use high quality Kanekalon hair. And with this, we have everything that is needed for this braid. So guys, I started with sectioning my hair into two, and I further section the front in two. I also have the mid section, which is two, and then the back section. So in total I have about 5 sections, 2 in front, 2 at the middle, and 1 at the back. You can see the midline running from the front section down to the mid section, which I'm even going to extend to the back later. So yeah. So guys, I started parting out the rows in front. On each section I have 5 rows, so I have 2 front sections. On each of them I have 5 rows, which I'll be connecting to the mid section. Guys, I don't know if this makes sense, but you're gonna see. Even though I didn't kind of record the entire process because of how stressful this was, I had to literally just sit in front of the mirror to do that, but you're gonna see what I mean by connecting them to the mid section. So guys, I am done with connecting the front to the mid section, and I told you I was going to extend the midline down to the back. I did, and now and I'm using some cornrows to secure the rows at the back. So guys, this whole thing makes the entire braiding process so much easier for me. And if you've been following me for a while, you know that I like to part my hair, like my entire hair, before braiding it. So this is my first time trying this method. It is not perfect, but it's good. It's good enough. So this is what it looks like, all done. Of course, I left out the bottom section because I'm going to be starting out with that, and this is what the front looks like. So guys, I'm going to just let you enjoy this, my method of doing my knotless braids, and just enjoy, because guys, I honestly don't know how to explain this, but the visuals are gonna do justice to it. So just watch and enjoy. So guys, this is the way that I feed in for my knotless braid, and it is the most convenient for me at the back. The method is going to get a little different in front, but it's still going to give you the same result. So just keep watching, you're going to see what I mean. And have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you haven't, or you're stopping by for the very first time, please click that subscribe button and join the family. Comment down below if you have any questions or recommendation. Turn on your post notification bell to be the first to get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. And give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far. So guys, this is how I cover that midline that is running all the way from front to the back. You can see that the one just below has the midline. So this one, I'm just going to take little from this side, little from the other side, join them together as one box and braid it. So that way you have this perfect, nice boxes, if that makes sense. So guys, this is that method that I was talking about that comes in be handy in front. So I honestly don't know how to explain this, but the visuals is just gonna do justice to it. So just watch. But I really like using this method once I get to the front. It's a lot easier, faster, and yeah. So once I was done, feeding in for about 3 times, I just braid this down a little, then feed in the deep weave hair, braid it down to my desired length, which is around that point where the ombre started, where the color 30 started, and I just tie it to secure the braid. So, guys, one thing I did do is I didn't use a lot of that deep weave hair because, guys, this is not human hair and is possibly prone to tangles. So, I didn't use so much of it. I used just the amount I feel like I could handle, and that is basically it. You can add as much as you want to, but just for longevity, you're going to get much better lasting effect with the human hair than this. So that is why I didn't use so much of it. But in the end, it still came out pretty. Guys, if you see how happy I was at this point that I am done, like completely done with my hair, I was so excited because it's not very tiny, like it's not the smallest sizes, but guys, it's a lot. The pattern, the braiding, everything is all so much, but I was happy that I was done at this point. So, yeah. Also, guys, I give my hair a little trim and I took up that deep wave hair out of the way by clipping it up and then brush the ends of this hair thoroughly and curl it with flexi rod. Exactly that same vibe that we had from the very beginning, so that we get like a similar curls to the deep wave hair that we had. So, yeah. So once I was done calling all of it, I dipped it in some hot water, and this is me like taking the rods out, of which I'm still going to dip this after I trim the ends. I'm still going to dip it in some hot water to loosen that cause up, just like we did at the very beginning. And guys, this is what it looks like. So here I am just unraveling it after like it has dried for some minutes. I'm just separating the braid. So yeah. So guys, with this I am completely done. All that was left is to take down that deep wave hair, let my edges, apply some mousse on my hair, did some makeup, and guys, that was it. I was done and I am super excited. So guys, this is the finished look, and you guys, this looks super beautiful. I cannot believe that I achieved this with just that one pack of lush braiding hair. Look at how I'm feeling myself. Like, this looks super pretty and I love it. Please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. It helps YouTube to distribute this content to more viewers. Comment down below for recommendation, questions, or if you're going to try this braid out. Please turn on your post notification bell to stay connected for more videos. See you guys on my next one. Stay blessed, stay fabulous, have an amazing week. Bye guys.
It could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer, no exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't want